Alright, hey guys, I am here at D&P Sportscards with a new box here of Panini 1112 Titanium. And it's got this really weird shaped box. Chris, have you opened any of this yet?
Nope, I waited for you this time.
You waited for me. Wow, that's really nice. And you don't have a box cutter, so like you're gonna watch me struggle through this. There we go. So we have 4 cards per pack, 5 packs per strange shaped box. And there we go. Another packs. 5 packs here. And we'll just see what we get. Again, later today I will be writing a review of this product. Here's a base card. Blake Wheeler.
Looks very titanium-y.
It's not very foil. I mean, I thought it would be maybe foil with the titanium.
Titanium in draft day was foil, but regular titanium wasn't, if I recall correctly.
Oh, maybe. And here is a very limited card. Mike Camilleri, 4 of 5.
Wow, look at that thing.
Patch Auto.
I've never seen anything quite like that. That's pretty cool looking.
Well, where's his head? It's the headless card.
So it's like, it's a die cut. Is it die cut larger than a normal card or smaller? Smaller.
Looks like it's about the same size.
That's pretty neat. Sticker.
Sticker autograph. We have Joe Thornton, Gaborik, Luongo.
Come on.
And I've seen a lot of these. Game worn gear. I think that's a standard jersey card that you would get in this product. So just 1 hit per pack. Okay, next pack. Looks like we have another game worn gear. This time of Jason Spezza.
I have a feeling you got the best card already.
The 4 or 5, yeah.
Patch auto patch.
We have another.
Ooh,
dual patch to 15.
Good lord.
Too bad the names aren't as good, but the patches are pretty disgusting. Who's that?
Stahl and
Tyler Kennedy?
Kennedy. Dang, 4 of 15.
I was hoping that was Crosby.
Yeah, I was too when I first saw it.
I'm hoping for one more auto, right? Because I only have 1 auto so far.
Is it supposed to be 2?
I'd be guessing there'd be 2. I have a James Neal. Looks like a ruby.
Parallel, number to 99.
And we have, quad.
Quad
Not an autograph, but the Leafs.
Reimer, Phaneuf, Kessel, and Grabowski. Number to 75.
75. So, pretty nice stuff.
Yeah,
I did pretty well.
So hits are jersey,
and patch.
quad jersey, dual patch, and dual patch auto.
All right, Chris, thanks for filming.
Solid.
And look for a review later.